Good morning to my followers and everyone. Today guys, ay gagawa ako ng breakfast. Yes, breakfast. It's very late kasi busy tayo sa bahay guys. So, may sandwich dito, may cherry tomato at saka may green pepper. At nagboiled ako ng itlogs. So, nilagyan ko siya ng cream cheese. Ilalagay natin ang boiling egg at saka yung pickles, cherry, and peppers. Maglalagay tayo ng salad. So, at saka sili. At ilalagay natin sa toast. After that, may ginawa akong milk tea. Lalagyan natin ng chia seeds. At hindi natapos dyan, lalagyan natin ng cream. So, ito na nga guys. Perfect our breakfast. Yan. Luto na. So, the breakfast is ready. Let's eat. Thank you for watching. Follow pa mo.